What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we are in... Where are we?
North of Alamosa.
Anywho, we're here at the Colorado Gator Farm, so we want to take you guys in and check out all these gators. What do you think?
I'm excited, even though we've spent a lot of time in or near Alamosa in the past few years. Just never made it up here, so
yeah,
it's pretty cool.
Yeah, and for any one of you guys that are, checking out our channel, we're all about traveling around. Right now we're doing kind of southwest Colorado and hitting all these little places. If you're traveling through here near Alamosa, I have a feeling this is going to be well worth a stop to check out Colorado Gators. And right behind us, we're going to step over here just a little bit. Back up in here. Great Sand Dunes National Park. Anywho, let's go in and check it out. What we got, babe?
I gotta tell you, they're moving faster than I expected, and I'm slightly intimidated. Oh, they're going to town on that. This guy hasn't had any.
Oh, there's another one right there. I didn't see him. He's after you. Where are we going next?
Exotic reptiles.
Perfect.
Just the two of y'all today?
Yep.
All right. Oh, you guys should be over here.
Okay.
Ah.
Okay. This is Donatello. He is one of our biggest picture gators. So he is kind of strong and heavy and big. Under there, they use all your... Alright. Bring me the camera, Chitto.
Perfect. Colorado Gator Farm.
All right.
So one of the kind of neat things I'm seeing here is that there's a pet rating system. So that helps for all these kids who are maybe wanting to take something home. But there's a system of paws here. Maybe Roger can swing around. Tells you if it's a good pet or not a good pet, depending on how many paws. So we've got a tegu on our left that's not a good pet, and then we've got a ball python over there who would be a good pet. So.
House of the reptiles. We just went through there, checking it out. We're about to head into the greenhouse here, and then we're going to catch some more gators. So, yeah, so interesting. We only gave you guys just a little taste of what's going on there because we want you guys to come down and experience this for yourselves. But pretty cool, huh, babe?
Yeah, lots of different geckos, snakes, even some big spiders. Yeah, tons of life forms in there.
Yeah, life forms. And look at the gators behind us. Yeah. Hatchery.
Oh, he's right there. Holy cow.
Wow. Holy turtle. Wow, look at this guy.
It's 100 pounds.
Jeez.
Steal me some of that bamboo to paint with.
Just said that on camera. My wife is a criminal. Absolutely. Swamp fever. Gators love that.
It really is like someone plopped a southern swamp down in the middle of Colorado.
Gators and emus
You guys are
living in harmony. Look at this guy. It's nap time. So much fencing. Of course, look at that guy. I can see why. Jeez Louise. Gators everywhere. There's Morris. Tell us about Morris, babe.
He was in a lot of movies, including Happy Gilmore, of course, and Interview with the Vampire, apparently, and Dr. Dolittle. And now he's retired and he lives here. Apparently, he destroyed an entire set on the show Coach.
Yeah.
Typical souvenir because it costs exactly 51 cents. Plus penny.
We get the gator, of course.
Of course.
Of course. Colorado Gators.
Oh yeah.
Hold it up. Let's see it. Zoom in close.
You're also shooting.
There we go. Nice.
I'm satisfied.
All right.
Time for a beer.
Yep. All right, well, hope you guys enjoyed our excursion to the Colorado Gators here in the beautiful San Luis Valley near Alamosa, Colorado. Just a few short miles from the Great Sand Dunes National Park.
And I'd say take your time, allow an hour or two. There's a lot of animals to look at and a lot of signage, which I really appreciate. And you can see a great sense of humor on a lot of those signs. Foliage. But yeah, recommend.
Super cool place, and just remember, like the sign says, that this is a working farm because these guys are taking great care of these animals. So
Great little gift shop with lots of souvenirs, and also a lot of the plants they're growing inside are for sale as well.
we're gonna cruise into Alamosa and pick up supplies, and we're going to find a cold beer because it's a lot of walking. It's a nice warm day out here. So remember, hit that subscribe button, ring that bell for notifications. We greatly appreciate it. We love everyone coming to our channel and watching. So we're gonna grab the dog and we're gonna head to town.
Okay, so after our adventure at the Gator Farm, we popped into San Luis Valley Brewing and got my beer of the week here. This is a Cloud Co. Hemp Pale Ale. So I've had a few beers that involve hemp in the brewing. The cannabis plant is actually a cousin to the hop plant. They both have that kind of similar pungent quality to them. So yeah, it's not that weird. And I'm gonna have a sip. Nice earthy quality, you know, kind of a bitter hop presence, but what I'm really getting is just it's nice. This is a seasonal beer, so it's only occasionally, or maybe even this one time available here. Flagships as well. It's a little boisterous in here, which is always a good sign in a brewery. Food was great. But the Grande River IPA, the Valle Caliente green chili beer is one of my favorites here.
Thumbs up, right on. Travel companion, Gator Hunter.